welcome back. This video is a reminder. Sitting on the floor is better than sitting on a chair or a sofa. Why? फर्श पे बैठना, जमीन पे बैठना, डायरेक्ट सॉइल पे बैठना, या फिर नहीं तो अपने घर के फ्लोर पे बैठना, या फिर कारपेट बिछा के बैठ, किसी भी तरीके के चेयर या सोफे पे बैठने से बेटर होता है. Sitting on the floor can improve your flexibility because when I sit like this, I am trying to work out these things and I am trying to stretch over here. पीछे खड़े बैठे मतलब जो भी है, जो कमर वगैरह है, जो कि यूजुअली हम ऐसा बैठ जाते हैं, उसको एकदम सीधा रखने में, जमीन पे ऐसा कंफर्टेबली बैठने में आपके बॉडी में जो मसल्स और जो चीजें खींच रही हैं, दैट विल improve your flexibility and at the same time because we are working muscles all the time. When you're sitting, you're working your muscles because you're not किसी चीज के ऊपर आप ऐसा पड़ नहीं गए ना, आप थोड़ा सा you are sitting on the floor without a support. Now that is something which will work your muscles and you'll get more flexible. I can't sit without a chair and I can't walk without a stick is almost the same thing, right? So you must make yourself flexible enough and fit enough to be able to sit and stand without support. When you are working on your muscles and when you are concentrating on keeping your spine erect, इससे आपका posture भी better होता है. It improves your posture, flexibility and it works your muscles. So we are मतलब ये तो मतलब मसल का हो गया थोड़ा बहुत, मतलब आप फ्लेक्सिबल भी हो जाओगे, आपका बैक वगैरह स्ट्रांग भी बनेगा and at the same time it will improve your posture. Compared to me sitting like this on a sofa, my organs and my internal system is at a better comfortable position when I am sitting like this because they're all relaxed and almost at a certain distance as compared to me going like this in a maybe armrest chair. Now because my internal system is in an okay level arrangement, because I am not going like this folding and it is not congested in there. It is relaxed and correct. The arrangement is okay. Because of this, systems like digestion and other process with your organs, it will become better. There are studies which show that it will also relax your mind and it can also improve your or it can increase your life expectancy. Now, life expectancy है, ऐसे कैसे होगा? जमीन पे बैठेंगे तो ज़्यादा जिएंगे, चेयर पे बैठेंगे तो मर जाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. जब आप थोड़ा और फ्लेक्सिबल होते हैं, जब आपका मसल थोड़ा बेटर होता है, जब आपके ऑर्गन्स थोड़े से रिलैक्स्ड होते हैं, जब आपका पोस्चर बेटर होगा, तो बॉडी फिट रहेगी तो ज़्यादा जी जाओगे अगर कोई ट्रक ना उड़ा दे तो. And a small challenge for everybody, and that is why I have for competition my mother. And yes, she's my mother. And what is your age?
असली पता नहीं है. असली पता नहीं है. 23.
अच्छा जीएसटी लगा के बता जरा.
जीएसटी लगा के 47 है.
हाँ, तो 47 versus 20. Okay. So small challenges because she's been sitting on the floor. Because she's been sitting on the floor all her life and I am not as flexible as her, so it should be okay. Number 1, we'll get up like this. Without your hands, you'll just use this and you get up.
Okay. You just sit there and say 1, 2, 3. Then we'll stand together.
Okay.
And shift that side. Give some. Okay.
1, 2, 5.
Okay.
Next sit like this.
This way.
Yes.
This way.
थोड़ा सा और.
How can we stand in this way?
ऐसा हाथ को यूज करें. Move forward and try to.
Yes, I did. Okay.
Or can you do this? Like this.
Second chance.
And यहाँ से start like this.
Start like this. Here.
Like this.
Then second
Okay,
step.
one goes under and you stand up. I last and final, I know I will win.
How?
Like this.
Okay. This is cheating. Wait. Let me try. This way only I can do it. Now let me give one challenge to you also. Cross your leg. Not like this. Properly. Here. And then here. And then bring this leg here and here. Then sit straight like this. And then both the hands are there. Take them back and say namaste. Namaste, auntie ji. Namaste, auntie ji. Do it. Come on, come on.
काट के लगा लेना.
That's very bad.
Anyway, Bujin TV is the Netflix of martial arts where you will find content exclusively from masters and their seminars and video clippings. So don't forget to use the code Karate TV to get first month free subscription. Bujin TV, check out. The link will be in description.